Family Vlogs back with another video, and we're stuck in a blizzard in Georgia. So basically my dad and some adult French people are helping this lady go because she got a bigger car. But basically there's snow for miles, guys. Snow for miles. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of snow. It's just in her. Let me see if I can get it up close. Nope. Yeah, this is crazy weather. Two people are coming the same way. This is crazy, guys. This is. I'm slipping and sliding out here. It's crazy, guys. Just back it up a little bit. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I did to my camera, guys. My camera's all out of whack. There we go. But anyway. Okay, so basically.
You want to get into it? I got my daughter.
This is crazy. Everybody's just probably gonna have to use their car and stuff. Because Georgia didn't want to live. So this is crazy. My dad is gonna help push. But anyways, this is our car. And this is some crazy weather. The ice is crazy. Getting my shoes. There's everybody in there.
Out of here. Sorry. Hi, people.
This is going on YouTube.
I'm sorry, but kids. No, it's not. No.
Yes, it is. So we're gonna help her. My hands are getting cold. Shout out to Top Villas for getting us a villa for this Christmas in Florida, Orlando. Shout out to Alamo for providing us with two 15-seater vans so we could go to Florida. So check in on that vlog. For Top Villas, go check them out. Check our resort out at 13,000. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. So I'm gonna pause while we get everything settled, and I'll probably be at home by then. But I'm just gonna pause. Guys, I might have to end the vlog here because my phone's about to die. But anyways, like I said, still just got in my mouth. Like I said, check out Top Villas and check out Alamo for their great deals for this Christmas and any day or holiday. So, peace out, guys, and this was Fun Family Vlogs vlog for you. So there you go.